I put lime inside the mask and never had this problem again. To start this tip, we will need a lime. With the help of a knife, I will cut him into several small pieces. Tell me if you know any homemade tips with lime for cleaning. I would love to know. After cutting the lime, I will transfer it into a container. For the next step of this tip, I will use a disposable mask. Best of all, with only 2 ingredients present in our day-to-day, we can make an impressive product too. Eliminate the bad smell and keep the bathroom fragrant. I do it myself often in my house, because it really works. Now I'm going to use scissors. I'll remove one of the side handles from the mask. Next, I will remove the elastic from the side. We will need it to do this tip. It's very easy to do. Even your friends will ask you to teach. Next, we will open the mask. It is here that we will put the lime we cut earlier. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Michael Lamar from England. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. You will never need to spend money on those expensive products sold in supermarkets. Using the elastic we take off, I will tie the side. We cut the mask to ensure that none of the lime pieces will fall out. After I started using this trick, I never again had a problem with unpleasant smells in my bathroom. That's how the mask needs to look. Even your family will ask you, what is the secret to keeping the house so fragrant? Even the most difficult stains to remove will come out, only with a light brushing. This little trick with just 2 ingredients is enough to transform the way you clean your bathroom. To perform its application, simply open the lid of the toilet. Let's put our tips supported over the discharge button. This way I'm doing it. After doing this, just close the lid of the toilet and trigger the flush. To see the magic happen, look how all the dirt goes away without any difficulty. To improve the result, just perform a light brushing. Not even I believed how efficient this product is the first time I made it. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.